Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix privacy settings on TikTok. Open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, go to your profile by tapping the person icon on the lower right part of your screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines on the right part of your screen. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now once you're on this page, tap Privacy. Here you'll see different options to check for your privacy. First, you'll have an option to private your account, wherein only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Now it's your choice to turn that on or to turn it off. You'll also have an option in here to suggest your account to others, and when you tap that, it will give you different options in here. Turn off or on any of this that was given above. Just be sure to carefully read each one of them before you turn on or turn off any of these options. Here you'll have an option to sync contacts and Facebook friends, but if your TikTok is not connected into that, you can just ignore it. Now ads personalization. This is where TikTok narrows down those ads that you're seeing on your TikTok depending on your interest or those things you're watching online. That means TikTok is monitoring every videos you watch as your interest. Once you scroll down, you'll also have an option to check any of these options. Example, here we have video downloads where people can download your video. So you'll have an option to turn it on or to turn it off for your privacy. In my case, since my TikTok is public, so I don't need to tap on that. You can check who can comment your videos. Here you can choose who can comment on your TikTok if you want it to everyone, your followers, or of course no one. Same as you can choose who mentions and tags you, who can see your following list, who can do it your TikTok, who can stitch your TikTok, and who can see your liked videos. And as you can see in here, all of those options are chosen to be only me. Here you'll also have an option who can direct message you, so if you want them to be just your followers, no one, and who can invite you to group chats. You can also check your blocked accounts, so you can unblock them and check them. Or you can also check if your profile views history are turned on or turned off. And that's how to fix privacy settings on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.